Hi, my name is Brittany. I'm a student physical therapist. Do I have permission to go over some knee stretches with you and then record it for class purposes?
Yes.
Thank you. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to work on your knee flexion. You have pain in your right knee, so what we're going to do is I want you to find a chair at home, and I need the chair to have a back in it, okay? So I want you to start in a comfortable position with your back in the chair and your feet flat on the floor. So she is in a chair with her feet flat on the floor. Okay? So from there, what I want you to do, I don't want your feet to move when we do this, okay? But I do want you to scoot forward in the chair as far as you can. So we're going to scoot and make sure that our feet stay flat on the floor and they don't slide forward. Okay? Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, go ahead and do it for me. Perfect. Just make sure you aren't leaning over too far. I understand sometimes you have to get some momentum to move forward. That's perfectly fine, but I don't want you to lose your balance. But it's a good thing that you held onto the chair the entire time. If you need to do that, that's okay. So, can you repeat the instructions to me so I make sure that you got it?
My feet need to stay flat on the floor, and I needed to scoot up the chair, and I did it to help with knee flexion.
Okay, good. Just make sure you have it. You have it right. Just make sure that your feet don't slide forward.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Perfect. So the next one we're going to do is what we call the prone hang, and this one's going to help with our knee extension. So we're going to come over here to the bed. So when you go home, I want you to grab an ankle weight if you have one, or if not, you can take this one. Okay? We're going to put this on your right ankle. Any weight will do. 3 to 5 pounds. Doesn't have to be too heavy, okay?
Do you know how many pounds this one is?
I believe this one's 3 pounds. Okay? Then from here, what I want you to do is roll over on your stomach. Wait, hold on 1 second. Now you can roll over on your stomach. And we want to make sure you do want your knee to hang off just like that. So that's a good job. Perfect. Are you comfortable right there?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to add this towel underneath for you, just in case, okay?
Okay.
So this right here will help with our knee extension. Okay, this weight, wrong knee. This is going to help with our knee extension. Okay, so we're just going to let it hang like this for about 5 to 10 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
Can you repeat the instructions to me?
We are going to have my knee extended like this. We are going to have my knee like this for 5 to 10 minutes to help with knee extension.
Okay, perfect. So, you can go ahead and scoot forward on the bed for me. If you can. You're laying on the bed now, stretch. Okay? So, lift your leg up for me for 1 second. Now, if you'll lay on your back for me. Go ahead and scoot up on the bed. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to do a manual stretch, and this is going to help stretch out your hamstrings, okay? So, we want to make sure that this leg is straight and that your heel is in my shoulder, okay? I'm going to come forward like this. Right there, we're going to hold it for a count of 15 to 30 seconds. Now I want you to push your ankle into my shoulder. Push, 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 push. Good, good. Relax. And then we're going to go a little bit further, keeping that leg straight. Holding that again for another 15 to 30 seconds. Okay? Last thing we're going to do is we're going to work on, I'm going to give you a stretch you can do at home with a towel, and it's going to work on your quads, stretching out your quads, okay? This also will help with your ability for knee flexion. So go ahead and roll over on your stomach. Okay, we're going to bring your leg up just like this. I'm going to give you this towel. I'm going to wrap it around your foot, and then I want you to grab it with your hands, and then just try and pull your heel to your butt with the towel. You should feel the stretch here. Hold for a count of 15 to 30 seconds. Now let it go. Let it relax for a second. And then you can bring it back in. And I want you to hold it again for 15 to 30 seconds. I want you to do this at least 5 times every time you do it. Okay? Do you have any questions?
I do not.
Can you repeat the instructions to me?
I will take this towel. I will take this towel and I will hold it on against my ankle, and I will pull my ankle towards my butt for 15 to 30 seconds, 5 times a day.